Just installed your new floor? Well, now comes the final battle, to move this guy in without damaging your floor. And we'll show you all the steps on how to do it like a pro. All too often, we see beautiful timber floors that have lost a fight with a fridge. And trust us, the fridge always wins. So today, we're going to focus on showing you how to move a fridge like a pro without causing any damage.
You don't need any fancy equipment, just a few items. A vacuum cleaner, 2 sheets of ply, a tape measure, a spirit level, and a friend to give you a hand. Before you move anything, it's a great idea to take the measurements of the fridge, height, width, and depth. Keep those dimensions handy so that you can be sure that the fridge will fit through any hallways or doors.
Next, empty the fridge. Not only does it reduce weight, but now's a great time to finally throw out that mystery container nobody's claimed.
Make sure the area is thoroughly clean, free from dirt and grit. Even the smallest debris can leave a mark.
Think of this step like you're laying out the red carpet, but for the fridge. Give the sheet a quick flap to blow out any debris you may have missed. So even though this is a new modern fridge with plastic wheels that are rolling well, without using the sheets, when it's rolled on the floor, it still causes a scratch and denting. Lift or tilt the fridge slightly, never drag it. And always have at least one person steadying the fridge. Now glide it out slowly over the sheeting.
Place the second sheet of plywood in front of the fridge. Before you set the sheet down, remember to give it a quick flap to shake off any dust or grit the vacuum may have missed. Then gently roll the fridge forward onto it.
If you need to move the fridge a longer distance, just keep shifting the plywood forward and continue placing the sheets along your path.
Even if you need to turn or reposition the fridge, the sheets will protect your floors from scratches.
Finally, reconnect the power and water supply if required. Check that the fridge is level and admire your scratch-free, perfect floor. And that's how you move a fridge without damaging your new flooring. But remember, if you need any advice, our team is always here to help.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.